Hi there guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to a new video. This is a live trading video, so it's actually currently the Sunday night of the 16th of December. A trade has just gone live as I'm about to go up to sleep, so I just thought I'd break it down and obviously hopefully I either wake up in the morning to a stop loss or a TP. That's basically how it's going to go. So this here is just proof obviously that I'm in the trade. You can see I've got a 100 pip stop loss and pretty much a 200 pip target. So I'm looking for a 2-to-1 on this trade. I'm going to quickly go onto my trading view. And then obviously following that, I'll be able to break down the trade and kind of show you it in a little bit more detail. So the reason for this trade, if you've watched the previous video I did on key levels within the market and obviously which way you want to trade them, I'll just get rid of my drawings for one moment and then break down the trade. So if I am looking at the market, if we zoom in or if I just get my drawing tool here, you can see we've had a bounce of support, two bounce of support with wicks here. We've had bounce of support and then bounce of support there. It does get a little bit clustered in and around this area here. Obviously, you do have wick rejections there as support, but there wasn't really a move off that. So if I'm just looking here, price has come down into this level. There's a couple of confluences at the level 2 that we use in the strategy with the group. And then the only last thing is to set our stop loss of 100 pips and then our TP as well. You might ask, why is my take profit here? Well, if I go to the left-hand side here and basically zoom in, every single time that price has reached this level here, it has bounced. And when it has bounced, what I will normally do is I will go off the smallest move possible, and that's my TP. So if you can see, when it first hit here, it went up there, came back, bounced up to here, then went higher, here, break, retest higher. So the lowest bounce that this price actually did was the wick of this candle. So I'm basically saying every single time that price has bounced from this level and worked, it's at least gone up to the 26.62 area. Therefore, that is my take profit. There is a little bit of added confluence which I'm not actively using, but it is part of obviously an additional confluence to use, and that is that we are expecting the third touch of this channel, which obviously has been perfect. So I'm in the trade. We have 2% risk on the position, so there's $2,000 on the position, hoping to make about 3.9. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and I will update you with whether the trade has won or whether the trade has lost. I don't really go break even on these positions, only because when I'm trading the big support resistance areas, I'm just going to let the price play out. When I'm trading the more intra-level areas within the market, I will usually go break even. But on this, I'm just hoping for a bounce play, and I'm going to let the market do its thing. So I'm currently, $1,000 up on the trade at the minute. And yeah, we'll see what happens in the morning. Good morning, people. It is currently 11 a.m. on the next day. Just want to quickly break down kind of where we're at with the trade. So you can see overnight we have had that move to the upside that I did predict was going to happen. If we look at this in a lower time frame, you can actually see that it was an absolute sniper of a trade. Literally, let's just zoom out. I wouldn't even class this as ever going into drawdown. It's literally less than 0.5 of a pip. So we're currently running 150 pips on this position. The TP does stay the same. So obviously we're not changing that. TP is obviously 3.8. We're currently running 3. So a little bit further of a push and I'll be happy. We can see that the level here is working perfectly. I did drop a video earlier in December just basically showing these key levels, why I trade them and why they are so powerful. So if you are wanting a bit more in-depth information into why I've taken a trade from this level, then by all means go and click that. But yeah, I'm just going to basically let this play out. I've got my TP set for a reason. Price should hit there. Due to the fact that price has narrowly missed my TP earlier, if we have a look here, I'll most likely just go break even on the trade, because at the end of the day, it's basically hit it. There's no point in me kind of seeing price go this far to my TP and not making the position risk-free. So once I stop this recording, that's what I will do. And then hopefully the next update I send is this having a take profit. So yeah, good start to the week so far, assuming this continues to push. And I'll update you as and when something happens. So the trade has now hit TP. So if we look on the screen here, you can see price has come perfectly into my level of interest. A good thing about obviously using these levels is that, as you can see here, price has bounced perfectly from my first level and then gone into my second. Just for people who obviously doubt these things, this is my deal map, which shows that I did get into the position here and I did exit the position there. Did end up taking just under 3.9% from this trade. So usually, again, I'm risking about $1,000 a trade. I keep that pretty consistent, no matter how much I am up or down. $1,000 is more than enough for me to risk on a trade, and I'm happy to do that. So yeah, that was basically start to finish exactly what I was looking at on gold. You saw me plan the trade as I entered it. You saw me wake up with it in profit, and then you've just seen me take profit on it now. So I'm hopeful that this video has been slightly informative in terms of the levels I have traded and why I got into this trade. Any questions, please leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video.